NTV, where your news comes first. This is Good Morning Nebraska.
Welcome back. Well, you as a business, you of course want to market yourself and put yourself out there. So we have some help for you here, and Mark Lockwood joining us from ImprovedInternetMarketing.com is where you can look him up too, and more information as well. But we're talking about positioning ourselves so that you can, for instance, when you search out on Google, your business is up towards the top, and there's a way we can do that.
There is. We've got to look at the whole aspect of the website, to be honest. Google and other search engines don't release their analytic system that says, hey, this is what we require to go to #1. So we've got to look at the different websites out there and work out why they're ranking high so we can rank other websites higher.
So what are some tricks that we can, and there's like equations and all this good stuff, right? It's
There's
kind of
a
complicated.
lot of equations. At the moment, Google seems to be looking more for backlinks, the type of social network media that people can do out there, blogging, the writing articles, etc., and submitting them. That helps dramatically with your website. Getting sort of the information out there about what you are about.
Any other, is it updating, constantly updating? Does that help you get higher in the ranking too?
Yes, it does. A stagnated site, typically the fixed HTML sites are outdated now. You've got to be there on the edge all the time. So we need to be writing everything you can imagine to put into that site on a daily basis if you can. Google will check your site. If you're updating 2 to 3 times a week, that's going to make a big increase in your ranking.
And also, obviously, viewership too. People want to see something new probably on your site.
Yes, they do.
Right?
There's nothing worse than going to a website that hasn't changed for 3 to 4 years. If it's changing every week, people do come back a lot more because they're going, hey, you know what's new today?
Right. If someone has a business and they have a site, and maybe they think, well, I need some help on this. Are you a person they can go to? What do they do? What are some steps?
They can contact myself. There's several other companies around that do SEO, which is search engine optimization, and we're able basically to look at them websites, do an analytics study on them and say, hey, this is where we need to go. And you've got to look at the market that you're going to be aiming at as well, which is very, very important. If you're just specifically for a local market, why aim for the whole world? You know, look at just putting your marketplace locally. And some advantages are, I know local shops where they're saying, hey, you know, our business is local, but the products can be sold worldwide. And that's where you sort of need to say, hey, we could do this on this part of it, and we can maintain this on this. All
right. Well, if you do have questions, ImprovedInternetMarketing.com is where you can go. You can also go to our website, Nebraska.tv. We'll have a link there for you as well. We'll be right back. We have a lot more ahead, including your weather on the ones after the break.